In this video, we'll show you how to connect your all-weather 120-volt window heat pump to Wi-Fi quickly and easily using the Gradient app. Make sure your Gradient unit is plugged in and powered on. Then press the menu button, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. If you haven't downloaded the Gradient app yet, you can find it on the App Store or Google Play. Tap Get Started to create a Gradient account. Already have one? Just sign in. The app will ask for Bluetooth and notification permissions. Tap Continue to allow. Let's pair your device. Tap Continue when prompted. The app will search for nearby Gradient units. When your unit appears, tap it. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Give your unit a name like living room or office, so it's easy to find in the app. Confirm your time zone. This keeps your heating and cooling on schedule. That's it. Your Gradient unit is now connected and ready to go. With Wi-Fi connected, you can control comfort anytime, anywhere with just a tap. Need help? Reach out to us anytime. Having trouble connecting to your Gradient unit? Here are a few things you can try. First, make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network. Your Gradient unit can't connect to a 5 GHz network. Then, enable your phone's Bluetooth connection for the Gradient app. Navigate to Menu, Settings, Wi-Fi Network on the onboard user interface to make sure the unit is discoverable. If the unit still isn't showing up, try restarting the app. There could also be a problem with your Wi-Fi. Try restarting the router.